Ragbrai is coming through Newton today, and we are pretty excited to be having a dinner at our barn.
We've got a pork belly empanada.
Wonderful.
And we're doing 4 courses with an appetizer, 2 courses in between, and a dessert. So I think it's going to be pretty nice. I think he has some pretty exciting things planned for us.
My name is Suman Haq. I am cooking tonight bison. Braised bison with some cauliflower puree, and some quinoa, and some squash. We thought that we should do something like an Iowa dinner, like Iowa product, Iowa stuff. So I tried to get all my stuff. All the cucumber and tomato, I just picked it up this morning. Ragbrai is awesome. You can meet people from all over the world. You just meet, and people are stranger. You can talk for half an hour.
We've got some people here that are from California, from Maryland, and they look around the farm and at the farmlands and they say, this is beautiful. Why would you want to live anywhere else? And that makes me feel proud.